and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be jumping straight into the topic of today's video, and that's going to be covering one of the shorts that I recently posted on YouTube, and I'm going to be rolling it right now. So just sit back and watch the short. You got a left turn signal for a reason. Why? Your rear one works. No, it's your right that doesn't. Exactly. So I ended up posting this short just to poke a little fun of my cousin, which ended up actually opening up the window for more conversation than I thought. So if you guys don't know what I'm saying, or let me explain the context of the video that I just showed. My cousin rides a dual sport. It is not a dirt bike, it is a dual sport. It is basically a dirt bike meant to be on the road and has lights and everything a street legal bike needs to have. So for any of you guys who were commenting about dirt bikes, they're not exactly the same because there are differences. Like normal dirt bikes don't come with turn signals, they don't come with headlights or rear tail lights, or they usually don't even come with a license plate holder. So just something to keep in mind as we continue. But my cousin has modded the crap out of his bike. All the fairings are not the stock fairings. The turn signals are actually LEDs. So because of that, most bikes, if they don't come with LEDs, you need to put a regulator or like a little short. It's a regulator, so that way the actual flash isn't as quick, because the amount of signal you need to actually light them up is different. So granted all of this, every single turn signal he had worked except one. His front right didn't work. And again, the reason I give him crap is because he is using he's not using his turn signals. Instead he's using hand signals, which in my personal opinion, you who are watching this, you're probably a biker yourself, and you probably understand what hand signals are. You probably know what turn left means, turn right means, and stuff like that. But in my personal and humble opinion, most people do not. Like people who are out here on the road, like literally these people are next to me, if I do a turn signal, they are not going to know at all what the heck I'm doing. And because of that, something I told him, I'm like, bro, why are you using hand signals? Like, to me, it makes absolutely no sense. Especially when the turn signals he has working are the two rear, and he's maneuvering through traffic, and who needs to see his turn signals? People behind him, not in front of him. And to add another layer to all of this, when him and me ride, I'm always behind him. We ride where he's in front of me, I'm the one behind him. And anytime he turns or is about to cross a lane, I am always his eyes. I always tell him like, hey, it's clear, or don't go, you may want to speed up and then do it. But like if you see the video, I actually cross and I'm still behind him, because again, like I said, I'm always behind him, but I'm always his eyes and ears. So it made the discussion, because I spoke to some people and we're going back and forth with some people on Instagram, and I think it was TikTok that I was going back and forth, where some people were telling me they actually do that. So I guess if your turn signals don't work at all, I get it. That is one way to be seen. But guys, I don't know. To me, I don't think that's a good, reliable way of handling switching lanes and stuff like that. Because again, most people don't know what that means, in my personal opinion. So you sticking your hand out or doing the turning sign, it's not really gonna help you. It just, what I think of this discussion and like what comes to mind is, what is gonna give you the most ability to be seen and people understand what you're doing. Like that's the whole point of a turn signal. It indicates to other people, hey, you're turning or you're going to a different lane, and it's what's expected. Like you don't ever see a car on the road sticking their hand out signaling they're turning left or right. It's just not normal. So for your everyday person who rides, you may understand what they mean, but like for a driver who's driving on a car or in a car and doesn't ride bikes or doesn't really have any knowledge about the hobby, it doesn't help them, in my personal opinion. So needless to say, to me, my personal opinion, I mean, ultimately means nothing in this world. Like, it's my opinion and this is what I believe, but I don't think doing hand signals is gonna save you. I think it's a pretty useless way of trying to get people's attention and letting them know what you're doing. I do think it's a good method of getting people's attention, but for them to know what's going on or what you're doing, that's where I would beg that like it's not the best. But either way, let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys do turn signals? Are you guys some people who do turn signal deletes and only do hand signals, or do you even use your turn signals if you have them? Like, are they functioning? You just don't use them? Because one person who I actually sympathize with, he mentioned when he uses his turn signals, he sometimes forgets to turn it off. Because unlike a car, when you make the turn, because obviously we're not turning a steering wheel, there's nothing to indicate or tells the bike, hey, turn that turn signal off. So sometimes I've done it a couple times where I'm riding for a bit and I look down and I'm like, dang, I feel like an idiot because I've had this left or right turn signal forever. Like I've been, you know, maybe half a mile up to a mile with a turn signal on. But enough rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I would love to keep that conversation with anyone who's willing to discuss the reasoning behind why they do turn signals, because I'm always willing to try to look at someone else's perspective. But in this case, my view is it's dumb. It's not gonna really help. I don't know, that's just my personal opinion. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. And with that said, peace out and enjoy your ride.